So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use an OBD2 scanner and tell you why, if you own a car or you're planning to buy a car, why this should be the first accessory that you buy for your car. And so this is your OBD2 scanner, and the ODB stands for onboard diagnostics, and this is your onboard diagnostics scan tool, and they're actually really affordable. You can find one on Amazon, eBay, or any online Shopee for less than $40. So what the OBD2 scanner does is basically this will read your engine codes. So if you've got a check engine light in your car, and let's say you're like any one of us on the road who relies on a mechanic to fix and diagnose your check engine lights, then this is gonna save you a lot of money, because most often the most reliable mechanic that you got is the one at your vehicle make branch. Like for instance, if you own a Toyota, at the Toyota service. However, unfortunately, if you are one of those people that brings your car to the Toyota service, usually that means you gotta leave your car there for a whole day, and they won't just tell you what the problem is. You've gotta leave it for a day, and you've gotta pay for a diagnostics, which might cost you over $100 for a diagnostics. Well, if you've got one of these OBD2 scanners, which they use themselves, you're gonna save yourself a lot of money, and you're gonna be able to know what you're talking about when you go talk to your mechanic, because this is gonna tell you exactly what's wrong with your car, and it's also gonna allow you to erase the code if in fact you are able to fix the problem yourself. So again, you can just go pick one of these up on Amazon or eBay, and they're really cheap. And what's really great about them is they are universal for any car make. It's pretty much universally plug and play. So I'm going to show you guys how to plug this in and how it works. So you're going to be able to find the connection for the OBD2 scanner right underneath your steering wheel and just above your pedals. And for me, it's located right here. So you want to make sure that your car is actually turned off before you plug it in. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and you're going to connect it. So once you got your OBD2 scanner plugged into your car, what you want to do is you want to get into your car and you want to actually start the engine, because the battery needs to be powered on in order to establish a connection to the car's ECMU. So what you want to do is, it's really simple, plug and play. All you got to do is push OK when you see read DTC, and this is going to establish a connection to your car's computer. Now, what's really great about these OBD2 scanners is that they not only store general universal codes for things that are wrong with your car, let's say a bad catalytic converter, or maybe you got to replace some spark plugs, fuel injectors, an oxygen sensor. This is also going to give you specific car make codes. For instance, this is a Toyota. It's going to also give me Toyota codes. For instance, if there's something that you like, a specific code that you can't read, you can basically just copy that code, put it into Google on your desktop computer, and Google will tell you what that code is. So having an OBD2 scanner is going to save you a lot of time and headache. For instance, if you got to replace an oxygen sensor or maybe a faulty radiator fan, you could go online, you could pick up the parts for a few dollars. They're not gonna cost you that much. Of course, if you're relying on your mechanic or your car make service department to order the parts for you and do the replacements, that's gonna cost you a lot of money. So if in fact you know the problem, you've diagnosed the problem, you can go out and you can source the parts yourself. Going to talk to your mechanic after with all this information is gonna let them know that you know what you're talking about, and that's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. So having one of these definitely is, I'd say, the first accessory that you should buy for your car when you go out and you buy a car. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful for you, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and catch you guys in the next one. I can't believe I picked this one up brand new for only $30. If you guys don't already have an OBD2 scanner, go out and buy one. What's great about this one is it comes with an easy to read user manual as well.